So you've just created a document, a very important document, and now you saved it, but you don't remember where you saved it to, and you can't find it. Oh no! So what you need to do is you need to follow along with me, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to find your document. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come down to your file folder in your Windows PC and look for your file folder. If not, you're going to come over to the search box and you're going to type in File Explorer, and File Explorer is going to give you the same thing. So I'm going to click on File Explorer and it brings up my files. And now what I want to do is I want to come down to my PC where it says this PC, and I want to click the down arrow and open up and find my C drive. So I'm going to left click on my C drive. On the right hand side are all the folders within my C drive, and what I want to do is I want to be able to find a document. Now in Microsoft Word, a document is saved, and when it saves itself as the extension DOCX. So what we want to do is we want to find that document amongst maybe all of the folders and all the files that I have saved, because we really don't know where we saved it to. So you're going to come up to the upper right hand corner where it says Search Windows PC in the C drive, and you're going to type in asterisk. That's the shift in number 8, and it's just an asterisk. Asterisk in Windows language is called a wildcard, so it means bring up everything that you can with the extension of DOCX. So I'm going to type in period, and then I'm going to give it DOCX. This is how you find a file or a document, for example, in your Windows PC. Now, when I click that, it's searching. So you can see it's searching, and it's going to take a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is we're going to stop the camera and let it do its search. So now we found some documents, and our document files are there. If we want to sort this, if we don't know, for example, the name, but we know that maybe we created it 5 minutes ago, I'm going to show you how to do that first. So the first thing you need to do is come up to the word View and come down to where it says Details. And in the Details section, you have several columns. One of the columns is called Date Modified. So if I know that I did it a few minutes ago, all I need to do, click on the word Date Modified, and it's going to sort it by the date. So you can see when I click Date Modified again, it sorts it by the last thing that I did. When I click on Date Modified, now this is the thing that I did today, and it was the last thing I did. So it's called Where is My File, which is what I named it. So let me left click on Where is My File, and if you come down to the right hand corner, it kind of gives you details about the file and when it was created. But if you come over to Properties, and I'm going to drag this over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So when Microsoft Word creates the document and saves the document, this is the extension that it gives it, DOCX. So every file that you create within Microsoft Word and you save it, it will give it the name that you created, and it will give it a .docx. That's how it's done. Right, super, super easy. So all you need to do is you need to come up to View and let it sort. You can sort it by the date. If you know the name and you left click on name, you can see it does it alphabetically. That's how easy it is. It also shows you the size of the file too on the right hand side, and that it is a Word document in the details section. So the details, when you click on View and you come down to Details, it really gives you the most help when you're trying to find something within your computer. And it's easy to find your document as long as you know asterisk period DOCX. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like what I have, subscribe. Okay, thanks. Peace out.